Welcome to Braylen AV. Today we'll discuss 18 Millionaire, What the Rich Don't Do lists. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to amass enormous fortunes, while others find it difficult to make ends meet? Makes you wonder if there is some kind of trick to being wealthy that you aren't aware of. These habits frequently determines whether someone is a financial success or not. Let's get into what the rich don't do. Number 1. Not investing in stocks. Millionaires like to make investments in dividend-paying stocks and index funds. They offer tremendous diversity, cheap management costs and passive income. Since index funds offer respectable returns and require little management work, many investors choose to hold on to them. Number 2. Not investing in cryptocurrency. There are reportedly over 100,000 cryptocurrency millionaires, with the bulk of them owning Bitcoin. As more people attempt to build wealth, Bitcoin is being recognized as a common investment option. However, you must be prepared to accept some risk. Number 3. Not managing money. The rich have different and more helpful money habits than the average person. How skillfully you manage your money makes the single largest difference between financial success and failure. It's straightforward. In order to master money, you must manage it. Majority of people decide not to manage their finances, because they feel they don't have enough. But, your money won't grow until you demonstrate that you can manage what you already have. More significant than the sum of your finances, is how you manage it. Number 4. Not investing in real estate. Over the years, millionaires have mostly accumulated and maintained their money through real estate investments. The process is usually, buy your first house, followed by another one, and rent them out. After purchasing several residential properties, began purchasing commercial properties, such as office buildings, hotels and more. Many millionaires own substantial real estate holdings. It's not an immediate cash flow investment. But, it may be profitable in the long run, and is a top choice for millionaires because of its passive income. Number 5. Have bad credit. Credit is wisely used by the wealthy. And with it, they purchase long-term investments such as education, new businesses, and home upgrades, which builds them more assets. Number 6. Watch a lot of TV. Few millionaires regularly watch television. Utilizing time effectively is the key. This frees up time for the rich to pursue other activities that extend their financial horizons. The wealthy of today say they are busier than ever. There is a lot of people who believe that making financial decisions is all that it takes to be successful. While the distribution of money is an important part, the primary determinant of wealth is the way in which you choose to spend your time. Number 7. Gaming. There's usually a considerable decline in playing video games the more you earn. Computer games squander a lot of time that could have been used for more productive activities. It's time that isn't being used to further your skills, earn more money, or launch a business. Number 8. Being lazy. It's easy to do nothing. However, you must put in the work if you want to accomplish outstanding results. If you put forth the necessary effort, you can do anything. Number 9. Negativity. You need to be able to bounce back and keep a positive outlook, even when things get difficult. Number 10. Work for others. Millionaires are frequently business owners, or those who built their own companies. They provide as evidence that pursuing your own interests may be extremely rewarding. Number 11. Put their success in others' hands. Rich people know, I create the life I live. Your finances and financial education has to be in your own hands. You must have the conviction that your troubles with money and success are entirely up to you. Number 12. Do everything on their own. To start off, you may have to handle everything on your own, including sales, marketing, and public relations. In the beginning, learn as much as you can to enable you to wear a variety of hats. But, while working hard, read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from experts. When you get to the point where you can hire assistance, do it. The wealthy know, freeing up your time is vital for continuous success. Number 13. Thinking small. Having both money and purpose results from large ideas and huge goals. Thinking big is a huge factor in accumulating wealth. Most people think small. They are afraid of failing, and are even more terrified of succeeding. Number 14. Wandering aimlessly. Rich people choose to be affluent, rather than just wishing they were. Focus, courage, knowledge, a never-give-up attitude, and, of course, a rich mentality are necessary for wealth. They are able to completely commit because they have specific objectives and a clear vision. If you are not entirely, totally, and genuinely devoted to producing riches, chances are you won't. Rich individuals are quite transparent about their desires. They have an unshakable urge. They will do whatever it takes to get wealthy as long as it is legal, moral, and ethical. Number 15. Not learning. Rich people will always continue to study and develop. They learn from others who are wealthy and more successful than themselves. Even after achieving enormous wealth, they still keep learning. Everyone who is wealthy has learned how to be successful in the money game, and you can too. Number 16. Live unhealthy lives. Wealthy individuals prioritize their health, engage in exercise, check food labels, and self-regulate. They go for annual physicals and heed their doctor's recommendations. They are aware that being healthy translates into greater energy in a longer, happier and prosperous life. Number 17. Overspending. The majority of financially successful people closely monitor their budgets and bank accounts. They do not let their wealth rule them. They have invested the time to learn how to manage money effectively, thus giving them the appropriate financial mentality, and the associated financial wisdom practices. Number 18. Not reading. The rich read success-related literature. Books provide a plethora of ideas, but you must read and comprehend them. Nowadays, there is plenty of education easily accessible online. Investing in your personal education is a must. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who needs it. And visit our description link below. Here are 2 more wealth building videos for you.